Good morning, dear children. In last session, we have discussed about Golu and his uncle and Tufan house. We have discussed about these two or three things. So, I told you yesterday that we will discuss about Golu. Golu will lost his way. Today, in this session, we will discuss. We will see that Golu will lost his way. Then, how he can reach to Tufan house. Okay. I hope you all remember the story which we had discussed yesterday. Means Golu is going to Tufan house. Okay. First he bought sweets from Appu confectionery. Then he tried to reach to Tufan house. Okay. Because Tufan birthday is there. That's why he is going to wish him and giving some sweets. Okay. So let's see how Golu reached to Tufan house. Okay, after you can say moving in wrong direction, finally he will reach to Tufan house. So how he can reach to Tufan house and why he did mistake? Because of left hand and right hand confusion. Okay, left hand direction, or you can say left direction or right direction confusion. Golu is not knowing clearly what is left, what is right. That's why he lost his way. So today we will learn which is left direction and which is right direction. Okay. Some proper identification also I will tell you that how you can always keep in mind that definitely it is left and it is right. Okay. So let's watch the video.
In the previous lesson, we learned about how to use a scale on the maps to read direction. No. If we reach a point, how will we decide which path to go? To know this, we have to know about right and left direction. In this lesson, we will learn about the right and left directions used in maps. In previous lesson, Golu had bought sweets for Tufan from Appu's confectionery. Now, Golu again started with his journey. After going some distance, he saw the board of road number 3 on the road. He was shocked. According to Uncle's map, he should have been on road number 2. So where did Golu make a mistake this time?
Okay, so here it is the map. You can see. Okay, so this was the shop. This was the shop from where Golu bought some sweets, and he has to move to Tufan house, and we know that Tufan house is from right hand side, means from this confectionery shop. Golu has to move in right hand direction. In this direction is on road number 2. Okay, but Golu found himself on road number 3. So definitely he has made a mistake, because he has to move in right direction from the confectionery shop and he moved to left direction. Okay, from this confectionery shop. That's why he is in wrong direction. He is on a wrong road. Okay, so let's see.
Golu was to go right on road number 2 from Appu's confectionery. But he took a left turn from Appu's shop, which was road number 3. Kids, do you know how to identify right and left directions? The direction that comes to your right hand side is called right hand side, and the direction that comes towards your left hand, we call it left hand side.
Okay, so now some of you are thinking that we don't know which is our left hand, which is our right hand. Okay, in this video it is clear that the direction which is in your left hand side, that is left direction. The direction which is and towards your right hand side, that will be your right direction. But if somebody is still confused in left hand and right hand, then how he or she can solve the problem? ओके अगर आपको किसी को यही नहीं पता कि हमारा राइट हैंड कौन सा है, लेफ्ट हैंड कौन सा है, देन हाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन एंड राइट डायरेक्शन. Okay, so now in this video you will see a identification. There will be an identification through which you will always keep in your mind that how you can come to know that which direction is left and which is right. Okay, the identification is just simply your finger and thumb. So let's see the video, you will come to know.
Do you want to learn an easy process of identifying the right hand and the left hand? The left hand starts with the letter L and hence denoted with L. Keep your hand like this. Now, the hand whose thumb and index finger is making the letter L is your left hand. And the
Okay, so guys, keep in your mind, whenever you lost somewhere and you don't know which is your left and which is your right direction, then it's quite simple. Stretch your finger and thumb as you can see on the screen. Okay, this is a quite simple position. You can suppose yourself that you are sitting, okay, and there is a paper in front of you and you have put your hands on the paper. Okay, मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. आप इस इमेज को देख के, इस स्क्रीन पे जो आपको दिख रहा है, इसको देख के आप लोग अपनी आपकी पोजीशन को इमेजिन करेंगे. समझो आप जैसे स्कूल में बैठते हैं डेस्क के ऊपर, आप डेस्क के ऊपर बैठे हैं, ओके, और सामने आपने डेस्क के ऊपर मीन्स आप बेंच पे बैठ के डेस्क के ऊपर आपने अपने हाथ रख रखे हैं, ठीक है. या फिर आप ऐसा सोच सकते हैं कि आप आराम से चेयर पे बैठ के सामने टेबल पे आपने अपने हाथ ऐसे स्ट्रेच करके फिंगर्स को रखा हुआ है. एम आई क्लियर टू यू? आप लोग जैसे खाना खाते टाइम टेबल पे बैठते हैं तो टेबल के ऊपर आपको अपने हाथ ऐसे स्ट्रेच करके रखने हैं. Am I clear? Now there is a shape, L type shape. You can see there is L formation. Okay, because of your first finger and your thumb. आपके thumb और first finger जो है, index finger जो है, उनकी वजह से एक L की formation होती है, ठीक है. And that formation is take place on only and only on left hand. I am showing it again. Here if you will try to make an L, then it is not a proper L, it is inverted L or you can say mirror image of L. Okay, ये जो इधर L बनता है ये correct नहीं है. So your this hand is not left hand, this is not left hand, ये left hand नहीं है. Okay, in this side there is a proper L notation. So this is your left hand. L stands for left hand. Am I clear to children? Always keep in your mind that the forefinger or you can say index finger or first finger, all the names are for this one finger. So the first finger and the thumb, they are making a shape of L. ओके, ए प्रॉपर स्ट्रेट एल. ओके, बिल्कुल सीधा अच्छे से जो आपने एल देखा वो एल अगर बनता है, देन दैट हैंड विल बी योर लेफ्ट हैंड. ओके, अदर हैंड विल नेवर मेक ए एल, प्रॉपर एल, स्ट्रेट एल. ओके, सो दैट विल बी योर राइट हैंड. एम आई क्लियर टू यू? सो लेफ्ट हैंड, राइट हैंड, आई थिंक क्लियर इन योर माइंड. ओके, लेट्स मूव फर्दर.
The other one is right. Let us understand this with another example. Suppose Golu stands here and has a bucket on one side and a ball on the other side. Now, how will Golu identify which side is the bucket on and which side is the ball on which side of?
Okay, now this is the question for you. Golu आपको दिख रहा है, one side is bucket and one side is ball. Okay, so you have to think in your mind and you have to tell the answer. Surely you cannot tell to me, you have to tell the answer to yourself. आपको अपने आप को ही जवाब देना है, ठीक है. अभी कुछ सेकंड बाद मैं वीडियो को ऑन करूँगा तो आपको पता लग जाएगा आपका आंसर ठीक है या गलत है, ठीक है. आपको अपने दिमाग में सोचना है कि बॉल किस साइड में है. Okay, means in which direction there is ball and in which direction there is bucket. Am I clear to you? I think my question is clear to all of you. Okay, so now think. I am pausing here. I am waiting for you only for 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, I hope you all have thought in your mind. So in which hand or in which side there is ball, left hand or right hand? Okay, if your answer is left hand, then you are absolutely correct. If someone has thought about right, then that is wrong. Okay, how you are right and how you are wrong, let's see.
Of his hand? It is very easy. By the process that we learned, Golu would raise both his hands in this way. Now can you tell which hand is making letter L? Yes, with this hand. So, which hand of Golu is this? Alright, left hand. And this hand? Right hand.
So very simple.
Which side of hand does Golu have the ball? Left hand. And the bucket? On his right hand. After looking for the way, Golu finally reached road number 2. Walking straight on road number 2, he is now standing at such a fork end of the road.
Okay, now he is standing अगेन ऑन ए जंक्शन. अब ये फिर से एक जंक्शन के ऊपर पहुंच गया है. नाउ इन विच डायरेक्शन ही हैज़ टू मूव? यू हैव टू थिंक इन योर माइंड इन विच डायरेक्शन ही हैज़ टू मूव. आई थिंक ओके यू कैन सी.
Can you see the map and tell which road Golu has to take next?
Left or right? You have to think about it.
Golu will now have to go to road number 5. Can we tell from the process we learned that to get?
Yes, in which hand side or in which direction road number 5 is from Golu? गोलू के कौन से साइड में रोड नंबर 5 है, ऐसा आपको सोचना है और अभी अपने दिमाग में सोच के खुद को ही जवाब देना है. क्लियर? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड. अगेन यू कैन यूज द सेम फॉर्मूला. स्ट्रेच योर फिंगर्स and check in which hand side there is L formation. That side will be left hand side and the other side will be right hand side. Okay, so definitely this road number 5 is on right hand side. Let's see.
Get to road number 5, Golu has to turn right or left. If you want, you can pause the video and find the answer to this question. Well done, kids. You have found the right answer. Road number 5 is on the right hand side of Golu. So he will have to turn right to go to road number 5. Golu has now started walking on road number 5. Reaching the end of this road, he went to the left and the last route of...
Yes, again he has to move. In which direction he has to move after reaching to this spot, as you can see on the screen. Okay, again you have to use the same formula, same method, same logic, and stretch the fingers and get the direction. So now this time he has to move in left hand side, means left direction he has to move.
Of his journey. The road started at number 6. Children, can you look at the map and tell that from where will Golu pass on the road number 6? Which side of Golu will this place be? Find the answer to this question by pausing the video. Absolutely right. Walking on road number 6, Golu will pass next to the post box. The post box will be on his left hand side.
So this post box is on left hand side. Okay, same you can check by stretching the finger. जब ये इस रोड से क्रॉस कर रहा है रोड नंबर 6 से, then in which hand side the post box will be? It will be on left hand side. Okay, so finally he reached to Tufan house.
Walking straight on road number 6, Golu finally reached Tufan's house. He gave Tufan the box of sweets that uncle sent and also gave him lots of birthday wishes. Children, in this lesson, we have learned about the right and left directions using maps.
Okay, so this was the total story. We spent our 3 days in this story. I hope you all are benefited by this story. Means first in the first day in first session we discussed about direction, then we discussed about map, then scale of map, and today finally we close this topic. Okay, finally we sent the Golu to the Tufan's house. Okay, so in this way we can do all the practical, you can say, problem solution by using a map. Okay, so today's homework is you have to draw a map. Okay, from your home to your school. आप घर से निकलने के बाद स्कूल तक किस रास्ते से पहुंचते हैं, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑल द रोड्स, ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ रोड, कर्व, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू ड्रॉ रफली. ठीक है, गलत बनेगा देन ऑल्सो आई विल अप्रिशिएट यू, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड स्केलिंग ऑल्सो. मीन्स जो सड़क ज़्यादा लंबी है उसको थोड़ा लंबा शो करेंगे आप मैप में, अगर कोई सड़क छोटी है तो उसको आप छोटा ही शो करेंगे. लेंथ शुड बी कीप इन माइंड. ओके, मीन्स स्केल ऑफ मैप शुड बी कीप इन माइंड. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन ड्रॉ ए स्केच. ओके, ए मैप यू हैव टू ड्रॉ and send it to me through your WhatsApp on my personal WhatsApp number. The best map, if anybody is showing good map, there may be one or more than one map, I will represent that map in the classroom. Okay, I'm repeating again, you have to draw the map from your school to your home or from your home to school, any one side you can take it, no problem. Okay, and do it very properly, very informative map you have to draw. Okay, आपको साइड में आने वाली चीज़ें भी शो करनी है. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस वीडियो दैट देयर वाज ए पोस्ट बॉक्स, सो दैट ऑल्सो shown in the map, and some other hospital like and Kent area. Okay, everything which you can place on the map, try to give some space on the map. Okay, so thank you very much guys. Keep your homework ready.